Have you ever felt a sudden shock when touching a doorknob? That's static electricity. And today we're diving deep into how it works. Static electricity is a fundamental concept in physics that affects our daily lives. Let's start with the basics. Simply put, static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges on the surface of a material. This imbalance builds up until it can be released. You experience static electricity daily, from clothes clinging together in the dryer to that small, unexpected shock when you touch something conductive. To understand static electricity, we must first look at the building blocks of matter, atoms, and the critical role of electrons. Remember, atoms have a nucleus with positively charged protons and neutral neutrons, surrounded by negatively charged electrons in orbit. The key to static electricity is that electrons, the negatively charged particles, are what move between objects, creating the charge imbalance. One of the most common ways static charge builds up is through friction, also known as the triboelectric effect. When two different materials rub together, one material gains electrons and becomes negatively charged, while the other loses electrons and becomes positively charged. The triboelectric series helps predict which material will lose electrons and which will gain them based on their relative affinity for electrons. Friction isn't the only way to generate static charge. We also have charging by conduction and induction. Conduction occurs when charges transfer through direct contact, like when a charged object touches a neutral one, sharing the charge. Induction, however, happens when a charged object is brought near a neutral one, causing charges to rearrange within the neutral object without ever touching. The charge buildup is only temporary. Eventually, the imbalance needs to equalize, leading to the discharge, or what we often call the shock. As charges build up, a significant electrical potential difference forms between the charged object and its surroundings, creating tension. When the potential difference becomes too great, the air acts as a conductor, and the excess charge rapidly jumps to a neutral or opposite charge, resulting in a visible spark or a felt shock. So, static electricity is a simple yet powerful phenomenon rooted in the movement of electrons and the desire for electrical equilibrium. Remember the key concepts. Static is a charge imbalance, electrons move between materials, and discharge is nature's way of balancing the charge. From industrial processes to frustrating fabric cling, understanding static electricity helps us manage its effects in our everyday lives. Thanks for watching.